I think the drone technology is the most important scientific development. Archibald Montgomery Low invented the drone in 1914. At first, people use it for military purposes, but now they use it for different purposes. Currently, it is very popular and common because it makes our life easier. It is useful for taking high-quality photographs and videos. These images are efficient to create 3D maps. Also, they are very effective in monitoring the traffic. So, the drones provide traffic safety and prevent traffic accidents. Another usage of drones is exploring the weather changes. By this way, scientists warn people about weather conditions. It is also important in agriculture industry. The farmers can analyze their soil and products. It helps them to save time and increase the performance. In sporting events, drones are useful to control the audience. Nowadays, in our country, we are developing drone technology. We can see these scientific developments in different technology festivals like Technofest. These festivals are popular among the students. Students of all ages are participating in these festivals with their new projects and products.